I'm making good on the promise I made myself that I told you about in my last video, that I'm going to do one manageable thing every so often, not even every day, when I have the time, because, well, I just don't have the energy to put into deep cleaning and lots of things. I'm doing tidy, like surface tidies at the moment. I was chatting to somebody in the comments and said I'm doing a surface tidy because it's just maintaining a level of calm, isn't it? But without doing massive deep cleans that you just don't have the motivation for. I have stuff everywhere, guys. This needs to go to the football thing. Football was cancelled, so now we've got to get it there on Saturday because it was raining. That's why it was cancelled. Now it's a big rush for the ladies doing the stall, but we've been told to bring it Saturday training. It's just... Anyway, this will be going in a minute. We are first thing in the morning at the moment, and I just wanted to chat to you. I've got to take my son to school in a moment. That always stays there. Just got a little hook on the door. This is what I want to sort out. I've used quite a lot of containers because I've got quite a full freezer, but it's just annoying me. But I can sort this out. I know I can. It's manageable, and I'm going to get it done today. So if you're in the same chapter of life as me and you just can't focus all your energy currently onto like big tasks, why don't you join in, body double me? You can listen to me ranting on and chatting away, and you don't have to do a cupboard. You can do anything, any spot in your house which you think you can manage. Do that, whether it's the bottom of your airing cupboard, your medicine cabinet, your bathroom cupboard, anything. Just join in with me and we'll get it done. The only problem is I don't know how I'm going to film this. I've only got my sort of like small tripod. My big tripod gave up the ghost a while ago. Let me have a little think, and I'll try and position you somewhere where you can actually see. So first up, I want to chat about us putting too much pressure on ourselves. So we all can't be perfect all the time. Our house can't be immaculate all the time. Like I said, my energy is directed elsewhere at the moment, and it needs to be. And the house suffers a little bit because of that. But I'm taking small steps to make sure things are done. So I do a load of washing every day, and I get it dry, whether that is on the airer or in the tumble dryer. It needs to be dry because it's going to back up on me. I do the dishes, even if it's once a day. I'll do them after tea, get the whole lot done, so that when I sit down in the evening to chill out, I've done everything. We make sure the front room is picked up at the end of the day, kids' stuff is away, school bags are sorted, things like that, and the hallway is tidy. It may not get hoovered every day, the bathroom may not be wiped over every day, but genuinely the chaos is calmed, and that is where my focus is at. So that's empty. I'm gonna give everything a wipe out and then try and get everything back in a bit more of an order. We'll see. By the time you watch this, I'll probably be snowed under with clean washing again, but then to be fair, the weather's gone horrible at the moment, so I haven't been able to get as much stuff dry. I'm focusing on like towels and things on the airer, but yeah, it's hard. Whereas this summer, guys, we have these snippets of beautiful sunshine and then it rains again. I think there's a heat wave coming up, so we can get all our bedding and all our towels dry next week, guys. Let's pray, let's hope. And there we go. The cupboard is done. Like I said, I've got lots of things in the freezer, so as and when I use them, I'll get them washed up and maybe have a little bit of a jig about still, but for now, that looks a lot better. Happy with that. And yes, that just stays there. That's where everyone looks for the carrier bag, so it's just going to stay there. And if I'm not managing the house, guys, you can guess what else I'm not managing. That's the greenhouse. Everything so far is still alive. I am remembering to water things, but I need to make a trellis for the beans. I've just pulled the sunflowers out because they were touching the top, because they're on the top shelf. I've got tomatoes that I need to sort out, herbs. We've given up with the potatoes because the crop we'd have got from the potatoes isn't worth the soil we'd have to buy for them, if that makes sense, and we can use the soil elsewhere. So I said to my son, are you okay if we just pull up the potatoes and use the soil? And he went, oh, I forgot we'd even planted them. So yeah, he doesn't care about that, and it saved us a bit of money in our tight month. So we've got a little bit of soil that we can use now to pot things on, and I really need to get on that. So this footage is from the next day. I had a little bit more of a productive day this day because I cleaned the car. I didn't film that. It wasn't the best weather, but we had bird poo all over it. So me and my son, we sponged it all down and then just threw some buckets of water over it just to make sure the bird poo doesn't affect the paintwork. So we did that. Then I'd done the dishes after tea and I had my wet rag and I was like, you know what, I'm going to damp dust because I can. I'm thinking about it, I want to do it, and I just ran the duster, I got it damp, ran it over everything, all the surfaces in the front room, not the rest of the house, just on the front room, folded up the blankets, and yeah, so we had done a few things this day. And I had done a shift at work as well. So for me to get these extras done on a work day especially, that was brilliant because we had some extra stuff going on alongside all of that as well. But washed the car, I did the dishes, we got our load on as well. There was a load on the line on this day. And I damp dusted the front room. And that's not all, guys, you'll see in a little bit. I fold laundry. So yeah, I do fold a bit of laundry because I thought, you know what? I don't want it to pile up on me. It's getting that way again now, just because, you know, life. But I did get some laundry folded on this day. And this was the day after my daughter had a sleepover, and all the bedding and sheets and pillowcases and things that her friend used. Normally, I probably would have just shoved them in the washing basket and left them. My washing basket was quite full, so they would have been on the floor by the washing basket. But I got them washed and I got them dried, and I actually got them partially dried on the washing line and just finished them off in the tumble dryer. So that was a win in itself. I always get comments with people saying, you're so organised, or I wish my house was as tidy and organised as yours. This video proves that what you see on social media and what content creators put out is just a snippet, because I have moments where I'm disorganised. I do like being organised, and when I'm on top of things, it's great. But sometimes things that are going on in our life take priority. I've got things that I know I need to sort. So we've got wetsuit shoes and a pile of sand by the back door, like outside the back door, that I need to brush off and I need to give them a wash. And we've been to the beach a few times. I've been washing sandy clothes, so I know I need to do the filter in the washing machine, the bottom bit. But as soon as that thought comes in my head, if I'm not doing it straight away, by the time, if I'm at work, I'll say, by the time I get home, that thought's gone out and been replaced with something else, or I'm distracted with something else that's going on, you know, that's taking up my brain space. So I'm trying to be proactive and I want to get things done, especially if I'm at home and I think of something, do it when I think of it and not keep putting it off. But, you know, I'm not lazy, I'm working, I'm motivated, I'm going all the time. It's just sometimes other things take priority, and that is fine. And if you're in that season of life too, that is fine. And I hope you've got some stuff done as we've been doing this and as I've been ranting on. So please don't forget to like and subscribe.